Hello, my name is Madison Jones. I'm the director of Additive at Scale. Our mission is to accelerate innovation through advanced rapid manufacturing solutions. So a little bit about who we are and our why. Our company was founded in January 2020 as a division of Axlebox Innovations with a focused mission to advance technologies and innovations that enhance public safety, first responders, and our armed forces. The CEO of Axlebox, Caleb Holt, for 12 years, repeatedly witnessed new companies and technologies fail to overcome the challenges of public safety and defense market before their funds ran out. The resources and capabilities that were put into place by Caleb and his group of team leaders began to attract companies from a variety of industries outside of public safety. And as a result, Additive at Scale was born. And a little bit about our expertise. We're a multidisciplinary team of engineers along with designers and technicians who live and breathe technology development. We are a premier end-to-end solution provider that offers engineering and scale-up manufacturing services. And our why, which I think is really important, is we explore, innovate, develop, validate, produce, and scale up faster than anyone in the industry. The result is a manufacturing partner that helps you strategically manage clients' demands across the entire product lifecycle and accelerate your go-to-market strategy. And there's some contact information. We're located here in College Station, Texas. There's my email if you want to reach out. So some of our in-house capabilities or services offered by Additive at Scale are engineering and design, electronic circuit design, fabrication, software, firmware, and web app development, additive manufacturing, reverse engineering, scale-up manufacturing, and high-volume production. So the pictures you see here in the slide are all located under one roof. We have 3 different size injection molding machines, some high-speed extrusion platforms by Ascentium. So these are production grade 3D printers. And then we have one of the most advanced laser scanners on the market produced by Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. So, and I'd like to talk about bridge tooling because it's kind of what gave birth through Axlebox to Additive at Scale. So there's ways to indirectly use additive manufacturing or ways to directly use additive manufacturing. And an example of indirect would be tooling or the stuff that makes the stuff. So in this picture, we see a prototype adapter assembly for injection molding, where we 3D print these cores and cavities on HSCs with advanced filaments to get 50, maybe 200 shots within 10 to 14 days. So we're really cutting the time it takes for tooling, and the design process is streamlined now. And there are other ways to use additive manufacturing indirectly, like for blow molding, thermoforming, carbon fiber layup, casting, and for jigs and fixtures. So we're partnered again with Ascentium and DME to do that. And I'd like to just talk about, I won't read all this, but some project highlights. We do a lot of sensor integration, and we build custom Additive at Scale enclosures. So we designed an O-ring groove and an enclosure. We used some materials that are UV resistant, weatherproof, and in this case, we built a custom sensor for the agricultural industry that monitors temperature and humidity. And we pump that data straight to the cloud using Blues Wireless's note card. So we're partnered with Blues Wireless if you have any IoT devices or solutions that need to be developed. Another project highlight is an asset tracker that was built for a multinational chemical company. Similar enclosure, IP66 rated, GPS hat, AA batteries, 100 units in the field right now in pilot stage, and we are scaling up production for that. Another project highlight, a larger enclosure with draw latches is also IP66 rated, again, produced through additive manufacturing, and this was for a company called Y-Fiber. Drone platforms. Let's talk a little bit about UAVs. So we do a lot of development for industry leaders, drone industry leaders. And here are a few examples in this slide. But some of these industry leaders include Full Throttle, Skyfire, and RSQ. Feel free to check them out. But again, robotics and UAVs are another passion, and we leverage additive manufacturing for that. But we believe at Additive at Scale and Axlebox that it takes a village. So we have a lot of strategic partnership to help advance these technologies through whatever manufacturing capability is needed. Blues Wireless for your data pump solution and cellular provider. Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence for laser scanning. Syntex Poly Solutions. So Syntex has more injection molding machines than we have under this roof, roto molding capabilities, and there's ARQ, Electronics Manufacturing Services. So for large scale electronic manufacturing, we can rely on them. And all these companies are located here in College Station, Texas. So we're bringing manufacturing back to the US. That's, I think, very important nowadays, especially with supply chain disruption. And I won't read all this, but it's just an example of Additive at Scale's workflow. So it doesn't matter what stage your technology is in, if it's idea or already being manufactured or produced, we can help. Again, my name is Madison Jones. I'm the director of Additive at Scale. If you are interested, please find me on LinkedIn. I want to give a big thanks and big shout out to GovShop for allowing me to pitch today. Yeah, hope to hear from many of you soon. Thanks. Big 'em.